me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
We went to the open house from the Air Force and a live concert in the harbor. There's also a barbecue, Leontine's birthday, and a whiskey tasting. The Air Force opened its doors for a day in Puerto Santo. Every visitor gets a lottery ticket for the opportunity to fly with the Air Force plane, a KC-390. There was many other activities and exhibitions. There was a big line for the helicopter. As we'd both never been in a helicopter before, we stayed in line to take a look inside and also take a seat in the front.
Iron Bird.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Do you fly this?
Yes.
You love it, don't you?
Fly is the best thing in the world.
We're sailors, so.
Okay. This helicopter is the helicopter on duty on this island, so it's ready to fly.
Yeah?
It's refueled, and if something happens on the island, we are activated on this helicopter and we'll take off to rescue.
Okay. So you do a search and rescue?
Yes, search and rescue.
Wow. You have a lot of electronics, man.
Yes, yes.
A lot of buttons. So how do we fly this thing?
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
Hey, Steve. Thank you for HD. Fantastic. Wow. What a view. What a
The view
great
is better from above. Not
Yeah, I'm sure. I've flown in so many things, but I've never flown in a helicopter.
I fly airplanes and helicopters, and I can tell you, flying helicopters is much better. It's much more fun than fly an airplane.
Cool. Now, a lot of respect for you, sir.
Thank you.
Now, let's let them take a look. You go, get out.
You can use the handle if you want. It's easier to get out.
Okay. It's telling me now. Obrigada.
De nada.
The pilot was very friendly and informative.
Almost the same as the boat, huh, Peter?
Yeah. Co-pilot, pilot.
Yeah, I was the pilot too. You are the co-pilot.
Enjoy the view for a while. Yeah. Nice sunset. Impressive.
fireplace here with a few.
The barbecue's here. There. Is this also a wood barbecue?
Nothing but down there is another barbecue.
After the open house, we had a live concert in the harbor with Yoshi and Maria, with a floating Make My Day in the background.
Bésame mucho. Bésame mucho. Que tengo miedo de tenerte y perderte después. Eu sempre tive uma certeza que só meu Deus desilusão e que o amor é uma tristeza, muita mágoa demais pro coração. Água de beber, camarão. Say my little thing, it's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, oh yeah, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry, we are in Porto Santo. Thank you. Are you happy?
Yes.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Oh, stop it.
Don't worry.
also happy.
Nobody laughs. 1, 2, 3. Come on. It's a little song I wrote. I hope you're running not for none. Don't worry and be happy. In every life we expect some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry and be happy. So don't worry, be happy. Don't worry and be happy. So don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style, ain't got no girl to make you smile. Don't worry and be happy. 'Cause when you worry, your face will frown, and this will bring everybody down. So don't worry and be happy. So don't worry, be happy. And don't worry and be happy. So don't worry, be happy. And don't worry and be happy. So don't worry, be happy.
It was time to get the Poiky out to do his job again. for the first time this year. We went this time to another barbecue spot, halfway up the Pico Castello.
Nice view.
Doe eens op. Ja? Poikie!
Kiepasje.
Ik heb een kiepasje nodig.
Carolien, stop met die regendans. Ja, dan stopt hij niet meer, hè? It's raining, it's raining. Dat is nog machtig. De logo.
Nee, hij is niet groot genoeg. On Leontine's birthday, we had a storm blowing from the wrong direction, so we stayed on board. The next day, we celebrated it in the bar with some friends, and of course, some of our own homemade cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
In Deutsch sagt man, du kannst es drehen und wenden, wie du willst.
Yeah, you can switch it around and
55? Oh, de 55. Ja. We had a whiskey tasting on board Make My Day.
Whiskey tasting. 2024. What do we all got?
What do we have in the offer? We have 17 small sips from different whiskeys. Is first, take it pure.
Sure. And then a drop.
Do your nose. Start with your nose, a distance. Then bring your nose further. Then taste your whiskey. Then do a drop of water and do it again. Mark would like this,
Yeah.
but Mark would actually say, nah, if you like it, it's pussy whiskey.
I think now it's a good idea to try it with a drop of water. Yeah, that really makes sense.
Wow, that really brings it out.
The water.
Yeah, now it tastes like candy.
I just.
Mini.
Nein,
It really tastes like candy now. It tastes like creme brulee.
crème brûlée.
Yeah.
Crème brûlée is okay whiskey.
How many whiskeys did you drink?
16.
No,
17.
17. You missed one. And which one was the best?
No. No.
Oh, for Claudia.
No, it was for me. Well, I would say either the Talisker or the Lagavulin.
Still with number 5 with Natalie's cake.
Ah.
Combination.
And for you, Michael?
I think I'll always follow my default in this situation and go to the Lagavulin. We ended up later in the evening with a live concert with our bagpipe. Ouch! Sounds like someone is killing a cat. Hang on.
Die Katze ist tot.
Einer Bagpipe nach Whisky Tasting.
Ja, genau. Das sind die
It's a
Beweisfotos. Also
You broke it all.
I didn't break anything. Give me a break, woman. You want to give me the gold ferret? You have to really cover them correctly, or it doesn't work.
Ja, klar.
My soul, I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Hey, hey, give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat for to free my soul.